And staying on cricket, Director of Cricket at Cricket West Indies, Miles Bascom, has defended the board's decision to contract Ottis Gibson as a bowling consultant, despite the regional body being in a less than ideal financial state. Gibson, a former West Indies head coach, served as a fast bowling consultant during the team's series against Nepal in September last year. He'll begin his assignment with the Windies in the lead-up to this year's international home series season, which bowls off in June against Sri Lanka at Sabina Park. Speaking on the Mason Guest show in Barbados earlier this week, Bascom outlined Gibson's role with the team and how it fits in with bowling coach Ravi Rampal.
Coach who is with the team. So Ravi will go on tours, he will support camps and so on as well. But Otis's role is to support camps and to work with that next line of players. That support that we need for players who perhaps did not make the squad or players who we've identified as having potential to play international cricket.
The West Indies team will navigate a packed schedule for the remainder of 2026, including preparatory camps ahead of the home series, followed by the Caribbean Premier League and subsequent away tours to India and Bangladesh.